Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Jeannie. Thanks for tuning in. I'm playing around with another eye palette that I have, and it's the ColourPop. And I'm going to mix and match some things, and I'm going to get a little spicy on this one, but I've always wanted to try a green smoky eye. And I did see somebody do it on TikTok, and she's a lot younger than me. However, I'm going to go for it. I'm just going to go for it because we are here to play with makeup, and that's exactly what I want to do for you. Because, hey, can you wear a green smoky eye over 50? I think we can. I think we can make it work, so let's do it. I'm going to use the Stone Cold Fox ColourPop eyeshadow palette. We've got a lot of nice neutral colors here, which are really gorgeous. Neutral, nude, shiny. We got a lot in that one. Then I'm going to use the ColourPop Empire. It's the Super Shock Shadow and Empire, which is a very, very loud green. Let's do it. Look how pretty that is, though. Oh, well, okay, I'm not sure why it cracked there because I have not tried this yet, but that's okay. No big deal. And then I'm also going to use, I have blush on, but I might add a little bit of this. This is the Disney Tinkerbell Darling Super Shock Cheek. Now, I would not have bought it if I knew it was Tinkerbell, quite frankly, but I did. This is the color here. I love this color, though. This is a gorgeous color. I think, I don't know what, honestly, what would you call that? A rusty color is what I would say. But these Super Shock Cheeks are, now, it's a cream that turns into a powder. It's very interesting. Now, I haven't used these yet, but you know what? I'm going to put it on now just to test it. Ooh, that is pigmented. Woo. I don't know why I just did that. Why not? I'll blend it in. Now, I do already have the Gucci Rose Beige powder blush on my cheeks, but just thought I'd add this. I don't know why. We're playing. I'm going to start with the Rare Beauty eye primer, and just going to like kind of go into the crease of my eyes, my eyelids, just the crease. And I'm going to use a BK Beauty number 207 brush to blend it in. Now I'm using a light hand, and I'm going to go up to my eyebrow. The reason why I'm not putting it on my lid is because eyeshadow primers intensify colors from a palette, and I really don't want to intensify that green because I'm putting that green on my lid. Told you, I'm going to get spicy here. Okay, so right here, Ghost Town. This is a neutral taupey brown, and I'm going to put this on my crease. Yeah, it's definitely taupey. I don't know if you can hear my dogs outside of my door crying. They just want to come in. Not right now. I love this. Oh, I love this color. I love it. Now I'm going to use Gravity Hill, this one here, and do the outer edges of my crease, just to intensify the edges. And I'm going to go down a little bit into my lid because I'm going to take that green and I'm going to smoke it out. I'm going to use this color here, Dreamful, because it's a little sparkly, and I think that it's really pretty for a highlight under the brow. And then I'm going to go ahead and kind of smoke this out here to blend it upwards. Now with the eyelids, I'm going to use the brush Angie Hot and Flashy BK Beauty A504. Have to be careful now, but I'm just going to start out very light. And just tap it in. Because you want to build this. It's dark, it's pigmented, it's dramatic. So you definitely want to start out slow and build it up. I'm going to build it up. Now you can also spray your brush with a MAC Fix Plus or a setting spray or water, but I'm not doing that right now. I was going to do it unless I felt like I need to, and I don't think I need to. This is a really pretty holiday look too, because it is a green. And I want to go as low to my bottom lid. Well, I don't mean bottom lid, but I want to get as close to my eyelashes as I can. And if you see the way I'm doing it, I'm going really slow, just tapping, and therefore not making a hot mess all over my eyes. Because if you do that with a color like this, you're just going to have to wash your face and start over. You don't want to do that. And I'm not going all the way to the edge of my lid because I blended a really pretty brown there, and I'd rather the green blend into the brown. I'm going to take the BK Beauty 207 and I'm going to blend this up here to try and smoke it out. Now I'm going to use this flat brush to also get as close to my eyelashes as I can. Now I'm going to do the other eye off camera. Now I'm going to use my Dior Forever Skin Corrector. I have another flat brush, e.l.f. small angled brush. These are so good when it comes to correcting or eyeshadow, eyeliner. I have a few of these. It's e.l.f. I think they were $3 a piece. But I'm going to just dab my brush here. Dab it on my hand and then go up that way to clean it up a little. Why am I holding my breath? And the inner lid, I mean the inner corner of my eye, same thing. So now you want to take a black eyeliner, any black eyeliner, whatever is your favorite. Mine is a One Fine Line from Bare Minerals, which they discontinued. I don't know why. And you're not doing anything fancy. You're just going in where the line of your lashes are, and you're smudging your eyeliner. So you want to use a nice creamy eyeliner, obviously, which I would think at our age, that's all you should be using is a nice creamy eyeliner. I'm going to use the Hourglass Unlocked Instant Extension Mascara. This is a tubing mascara, by the way. And I did use the Cali Ray tubing mascara a few days ago, and I showed you guys when I was using it. And a couple of hours later, it flaked. It just flaked all over my eye. So I don't like it. You know, the last thing you want as a mature woman, probably the last thing you want as at any age, is for your mascara to flake all down your eye and you don't even know it till you look in the mirror again. But this Hourglass, I've never had that issue. So as far as tubing mascara is concerned, this is it for me. And the Thrive mascara, which is a tubing mascara, that's really good too. Something about these mascaras though, these tubing mascaras. I mean, they literally make your eyelashes look like you have extensions. It is a gorgeous formula, but you really have to test out the brand and see what one works best for you. What I like about this is it's not too wet. A lot of tubing mascaras are so wet when you first put them on, which can, I don't know about you, but as I get older, my eyelashes seem to mangle up. I had my eye doctor once tell me she was going to have to pluck my eyebrow. She was going to have to pluck my eyelashes because they were turning inward. But when it's thick and not too wet, you can see it's much easier to control. But I'm going to finish this look with the Maybelline Super Stay Vinyl Ink in Witty because I'm loving this formula. So this is the look. Can we get away with green? I think we can. As long as you take your time, use a light hand, and practice. I think the green is a really nice holiday look, and as long as you smoke it out and you practice with it, you can do it. I'm 59, and I'm rocking some green eyes. Let me know what you think. Please comment below and hit the subscribe button so I can keep doing videos for you guys. We are over 50, and we still love our makeup, and we still want to wear it. And what I'm doing for you is testing products for you to see what we can and what we can't still get away with. There are things we can't get away with, okay? Like watermelon pink lips. It is what it is, right? Anyway, thanks guys for tuning in, and until next time, love you. I will see you soon.
The like button.
4, 3.
Bye.